Hello children, welcome back to our new maths period. We will continue with our chapter surface area and volume with part 18. Yes, last period we have started with exercise 13.5. We will continue with exercise 13.5 today also. So let us revise the formula first. What we have learned in the previous period. Yes, which formulas we have learned about the volume of cube and cuboid. Do you remember what is the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is equal to a cube, where a is a side of a cube, and volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Is it correct? So volume of a cuboid is L into B into H, where L is a length, B is a breadth, and H is a height. Okay, so by using these two formulas, we will continue with exercise 13.5. In 13.5, we have completed first three questions. Let us see the question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at a rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. First of all, understand the sum. If you want to dig it, that means you are using the inside part. Yes, so we will see here the volume of that cuboidal pit and the cost we want to find. So whatever you will get the volume, multiply by 30. Is it correct? So space occupied by that cuboid, the inside part, that means we will use a volume. So what is the volume of a cuboid? That is L into B into H. So first we will write the given part. Given equal to length into breadth into height. So as a formula, but given is L equal to 8 meter, breadth equal to 6 meter and depth equal to 3 meter. Is it correct? So formula is L into B into H, but the given part is L equal to 8 meter, breadth is 6 meter and depth, that is a height, equal to 3 meter. Start with the solution. Volume equal to L into B into H. So substitute the values. 8 into 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 12. Is it correct? No, 6 3s are 18 and 18 8s are 144. So volume of a pit equal to 144 meter cube. Correct? Now let us find out the total cost. But what is given? Cost of digging per meter cube volume equal to rupees 30. Yes, so but what we got the volume over here? We want to find the cost of volume of 144 meter cube. So multiply 144 into 30 and find the answer. So check it over here, 144 into 30. So 0 will be as it is, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, we are getting the total cost of digging equal to rupees 4,320. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. So, what we have done it over here, first find the volume of a pit, and to find the cost, multiply that volume by the cost per meter cube, which is given as rupees 30. And you are getting the final answer here as rupees 4,320. Let us continue with the next sum. The capacity of cuboidal tank is 5,000 liter of water. Find the breadth of a tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Again understand the sum. What is given? A cuboidal tank is given where length and depth both are given, and we want to find the breadth, but the capacity is given. The capacity is nothing but what? It is a volume, but that volume they have given in the liter form, and first we have to convert it into meter cube and use that is as a volume and find the breadth. So let us write down the first given part. Let the breadth of a tank be B meter. Then length equal to 2.5 meter and depth is 10 meter. So volume of a tank equal to L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. So substitute the values. So L is 2.5, B is a unknown value, so write it as B only, into 10. Now, so which is equal to 2.5 into 10 is 25. So 25 B as a volume. Now, but what is given? Capacity of a tank is given as, we got it as what? 25 B, but it is in meter cube. But what is the relation between the meter cube and liters? What is the conversion? We have solved such a type of sum once before, that is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. But what we got? 25 B meter cube. So it will be 25,000 B in liters. Why we have converted into liters? Because the capacity is given as 50,000 liters. Correct? Therefore, we have converted this one in liters. Yes. So see the next step. In next step, 25,000 B equal to 50,000. We got, according to the formula, we got L into B into H. If we are used, and we got the volume as 25,000 B. But already the capacity is given as 50,000. Just solve it as an equation. So B will become as 50,000 upon 25,000. So 0 will get cancelled. 25 ones are 25 twos are. So you will get the B value as 2. So just write it down. Therefore we are getting the B value as 2 and write the final answer. Therefore the breadth of the tank is 2 meter. Got it all of you? So Lisa, just see once again what is given. Length and height was given. By using that, we want to find the breadth, and the volume is given, but the volume is given in liters. So you can solve it by both the way. Keep as it is in a meter cube and convert that 50,000 liter into meters and solve it. Then also you will get the same answer. So let us continue with the next sum. Question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. Is it correct? What it has a tank measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Again, listen carefully. Understand the sum. What is given? The population is given. Are you getting this point? What is given first of all? The population is given as 4,000 and 150 liter per day. That means we want to find how much quantity of water is required for all the people. Yes, all people together. So consume, that village is required how much quantity of water per day. That means we will multiply this 4,000 into 1,500. That much quantity of water is required per day for that village. But what is the capacity of a tank? We want to find first that also. The capacity of tank is given by using the length, breadth and height. So it is given as 20 meter as a length, 15 meter breadth and 6 meter as a height. So by using that, by using L into B into H, you can find the capacity of a tank. Of course, the capacity of a tank will be more and the consumed water per day will be less. So the capacity of a tank divide by, if you find the consumed water per day, if you divide it, you will get the number of days. Is it correct? So how to solve the sum? First step, find the capacity of a tank by using the volume formula. Then second step, find the water consumed by people by that village per day by full population, that is by population of 4000. So we will multiply 4000 into 150. Then the number of days will be what? The whole capacity of that tank, that is volume, upon consumed by people per day. If you divide it, you will get the number of days. Just look at here. So here you can see the given tank is a cuboidal shape. So length equal to 20 meter, breadth equal to 15 meter, and height equal to 6 meter. So apply the formula L into B into H, 20 into 15 into 6. 15 2s are 30. How you get 20 into 15 into 60? You can multiply anyhow. 15 2s are 30. So 300 into 6. 6 3s are 18. So 1800. It is in meter cube. Again 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 1800, if you multiply by 1000, you will get this many liters. So how many zeros are there? You just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that many liters. Okay, so water consumed by the people of a village in one day equal to, population is 4000, multiply by 150, because 150 liter is consumed per head per day. So again multiply over here 4000 into 150. Count the number of zeros and give the zeros. Yes, here 3 zeros and here 1 zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 15 4s are 60. So write 60. So total, if you count it over here, 6 lakh liters. Is it correct? So 6 lakh liters of water will be consumed by people in one day. Correct. Now let us find out how many days they can use this much quantity of water. So what we will do? Let a water in this tank last for n days. They will use it for n days. So n is number of days multiplied by per day consumed, that is nothing but 6 lakh liters, which is equal to, you can see how many are there. Can you count the number of zeros and find out what is the value here? That is, here you can see it is 18 lakh. Correct. So n equal to what you will get? 18 lakhs upon 6 lakhs. If you cancel the number of zeros, 6 3s are 18. Therefore, you will get the n value equal to 3. Therefore, the water of this tank will last for 3 days. They can use that water for 3 days. Is it clear to all of you what we have done it? We have solved the sum in 3 steps. First step, find the capacity of a tank by you applying the formula volume equal to L into B into H. Second step, find the water consumed by people per day, 4000 into 150, second step, and then find the number of days. So how many days they can use that much quantity of water by division. Is it clear to all of you? So we have completed question number 4, 5 and 6 today. We will continue this exercise in next period also. Till that, just practice these all the sums thoroughly, apply the formula properly and find the answers and practice it. Thank you.